Okay, welcome. Good evening, Sanmonani. Uh, luckily, today we have power, we have fiber connection. Uh, we don't have any disruptions. So far, so good. I hope everything will go well. The training will go well because everything seems to be up to date. We don't have any issues so far. Izolo, we were forced to cancel because we didn't have fiber. So the network was not that strong to carry Zoom. So we had to cancel yesterday, but it was training for supervisors and managers yesterday. Saturday, was it Friday? We postponed the managers training because there, there was no fiber again. We just hope these things come to an end. So welcome everybody, welcome. I hope Song is remind our team because we are talking business basics tonight. If we reminded our downlines to join, remind everyone who's new to join, but also your experienced downline ufuna join nabo because the basics actually they are for everyone. Though we talk Monday, we talk orientation mostly onboarding, but I'm telling you, these onboarding trainings are for everyone, not just for new people, because it's all basics that people miss out and end up struggling in the business because they don't understand the basics. You see, if you understand the basics, fundamentals of business, so there's no way you can be successful in that business. So it is very, very crucial to understand the basics. Senza sure ukuthi ama-team wethu they understand basics. Because if bangabamba ama-basics, I'm telling you, they are gone. They will build massive businesses. Because maka understand the basics, they will apply, they will do them, and they'll be able to teach. Business network lifuna ube uthisha. Yonke into oyaziyo ifundise abantu bakho. I-team yakho kumele uyitrain uyifundise lezi zinto ozaziyo ukuthi bafunde bakhona ukuzenza nabo bakhona ukukhula. So ibaluleke kakhulu ukuthi we-train and we become very strict makufika kwindaba yoku-attenda ama-training because if ungekho strict abantu bakho bangaka-attend they will never grow bamature. Mabangakhuli bamature then kuba nenkinga yokuthi i-team yakho iba stuck ngoba they don't get developed, baba stuck. So it is really where things are. So but anyway, masoloko sibakhuthaza, some of them will get to a point where they start attending, mabaqala ba-attenda and then they start learning. Mawafunda, they'll go apply. Maba apply, they start getting results. Results abanikeza confidence to do even more. So they'll do even more, and then kanjalo they will grow and become successful leaders, and highly likely also able to develop other strong leaders in their downlines. So here ebalulekile kakhulu about these trainings. So we are looking at the basics, which is the fundamentals of the business. So if you understand them, then you are gone. You are gone, especially when you are able to teach them as well. So ungene ebhizinisini laka forever, into yokuqala that you need to understand and make it your friend, the booklet from our stationary envelope. Sazi ukuthi mawujoyina uthola i-stationary envelope with all the documents inside. That's the stationary, we call it stationary pack. This envelope iphethe incwadi eziningi, though today I'm not going to go through what is inside. I normally go piece by piece, book by book, leaflet by leaflet, form by form, explaining. I have videos for that. You can go watch the previous orientations. And you can ask me privately to forward you the previous ones. Today, we just want to get to the real basics of doing the business itself, than explaining what it comes with your startup Jenny Combo. So now we want to get to work to do the basics so that people can start getting results. So this first step to manager manual, you can get a step by step to business like a forever, starting from Ilona goals. Good. You need to set goals. Before uqala usebenza ufanele wazi ukuthi usebenzelane. Ungagijimi nje ungazi ukuthi ugijimelani. So le ncwadi ke yiyo ukufundisa konke lokho ukuthi set goals and then ukufundise ukuthi what is cash credit, ukufundise ukuthi now how do you start doing your business. Should even most of what I'm going to cover tonight, they are also covered in this book, your first steps to manager manual. First steps to manager manual, powerful book. So bakwethu njengoba nijoyinile umuntu asesemusha nathi abantu abadala ebhizinisini, the most important level kwakhe ku-marketing plan yethu bakwethu supervisor. Supervisor is very, very, very important level ku-marketing plan because it's the first level ye-leadership ebhizinisini lethu. So yiyo le supervisor level. So if you can train your people or you learn how to become a supervisor, then uzokhona ku-achieve lamanye ama-level because the most basic one yiyo le yaka-supervisor. So more understanding the supervisor level, wakhona ukuyakha wangena kwa-supervisor. Then I'm telling you, going forward, you won't have much issues. You'll be able to grow and achieve. So because after becoming a supervisor, umsebenzi omkhulu just to develop other supervisors. So it's to develop other supervisors. So that is why it's very, 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 very important that you learn the core level on the marketing plan is supervisor level. If you are not yet a supervisor, sebenza ngakho konke unako usebenzele kuba usupervisor. So someone who's already a supervisor, do everything that you can to develop other supervisors. Because that's the only way ozoqhubeka uye phambili if ungaqala ulona udevelop obo-supervisor. Yiyo indlela that will carry you forward to the next levels. Otherwise, you'll get stuck. If you understand the issue as supervisor, you'll get stuck. Then you might even end up thinking, oh, forever lengathi nabantu bayo. If forever nabantu bayo, inabantu aba-understandayo, abaziyo ukuthi bayenzani, nabantu ukuthi abayi-understand, bona bangenile ebhizinisini but abakakayi-understand. So they find themselves stuck because yibo abangayi-understand ukuthi lento yenziwa kanjani. So ibaluleke ngendlela esimanga ukuthi sazi mawungena nje the first level important okumele ulwele yona is becoming this supervisor. And then because the next step is to produce other supervisors. I hope sibambile leyo. Ibaluleke ngendlela esimangalisa ukuthi uyibambe uyi-understand because mawubambile uyi-understandile then you are gone. You are going places. You'll achieve amazing stuff, business like forever. So become a supervisor, focus on developing other supervisors. Very important. So, but wait, to this business now, you can no longer do business if you are not on social media. You cannot be successful kule business esilenza manje ungasebenzisi social media. So let's see comment section bayingaki about social media, and can you just write for us which social media platforms? Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. You don't have to be in all of them because you cannot master all of them at once. You get one or two that you master, then you keep adding the others, but you need to have one that you specialize in and the second one. So uqolani thina ku TikTok, zanele ku Facebook, awesome. So let's see where are this, and then Thabo Mpahlele, Facebook and TikTok, awesome stuff. Remember, ilona in social media, WhatsApp nayo, ne? Ngayikhohlwa le WhatsApp. Majority of us are using WhatsApp. So Facebook, Zanele, Xolani, TikTok, and then Thabo Mpahlele, WhatsApp, Facebook, Palesa Molefe, TikTok, Lerato Letswalo, Facebook and TikTok, or some stuff. And then Lwandi, le Facebook and WhatsApp, and Busi, TikTok, all of them. I'm not sure. All of them. There are too many of them. I don't know. But she said all of them. Let's see, where are others at? Please be specific, because we have so many social media. Like, for example, let's open that. Well, they are not even all of them. On this, we have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, G Plus, Google Plus, sorry, and then TikTok. These are the ones on the screen alone. But there are those that are not on the screen. We have so many social media platforms. But you don't have to belong to in all of them. You just need to have one or two that you master. But you need to master one first and know that this is my main one. Maybe this is my backup plan. So very, 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 very important, my leaders, to be on social media, because the business is done online. It's done online. So Menari, Facebook and WhatsApp, Robert Dicton Mchenga, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Awesome. Okay. And again, Facebook, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp is one company. So you are able even to link them. You can link your WhatsApp to Facebook, to Instagram. Like in my case, when you see I share something that is less than a minute on my WhatsApp status, I'll use the same to share from my WhatsApp status. I'll share to my Facebook story. I'll also share to my Instagram story. Same WhatsApp status that I've posted on WhatsApp. I linked my WhatsApp to my Facebook and my Instagram. I hardly go to Instagram. I do check sometimes when I have time, because I find it takes too much data and there's way too much there. But there are people who are excelling on Instagram. They actually specialize on Instagram. It's more lifestyle orientated Instagram. So I find that Facebook is more liberating. Yes, there are restrictions, but TikTok is more on video. And it's more liberating, but though now they're introducing lots and lots of restrictions, especially when you talk business or health. They don't want health, they don't want business, because they're very strict on what you say about business. They're very strict on what you say about health. So WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram is one company. So you are able to link them and share one thing on your WhatsApp that can move automatically to be shared. You just tell it to also share on Facebook, also share on Instagram if you link them. So you can no longer do business if you are not on social media. People are found on social media, they are always looking at their phones. So it's easier to talk to people via social media than trying to maybe meet them face to face. So, but face to face meetings are more effective than social media. Like photos and videos are more effective than text. Text explains, but video explains visually. It also using audio and it's using voice, pictures, moving pictures, and also appealing in terms of all the most of the senses. video. So text will explain, but text with a picture is more powerful than just text alone. Picture, if it's self-explanatory, can be powerful, but picture with caption is the best. But video beats all of them. Video beats all of them. So videos are the high sellers. Videos are the ones that attract more attention than, though they take more data, but the reality is they are more effective than just normal posts of pictures and weight. Then my diamonds, as soon as you become a supervisor, we're still going to come to the technical stuff. How do you achieve that supervisor? How do you achieve the manager? After becoming a supervisor, your number one job is just to develop other supervisors. If you develop supervisors, you'll move to manager. If you're a supervisor, if you can just produce 5 supervisors, you are highly likely going to move to manager level. Why manager level? Manager level leaders is a level where by just becoming a manager, you gain access to every incentive that is on offer in a business. Meaning that manager level unlocks all the benefits in the business. So as soon as you become a manager, this is where the big bonuses start. Manager level, that's where people really make money, serious money in forever are. They are managers. People who can qualify for everything that is on offer is manager. What you see there, that's the manager pin for our new people. That's our manager pin. It is a gold, I think 25 current gold manager pin. It's not just an ordinary pin, it's gold pin, 25 current. Then, in order to become a manager, you need to understand our success factor in the business, which is 4CC. 4CC unlocks your bonuses, promotions, incentives like car plan, which is forever to drive. For overseas trip is global rally and Eagle Manager Retreat. Chairman's bonus, that's where you share in the profits of the company. You receive a big check as part of your share of good performance for the previous year, and you get lots of recognitions when you are 4CC active. So we call it success factor. And the other thing that you need to understand, my leaders, as basic, is that we get paid 4 times a month. Tomorrow is payday. Tomorrow is payday. This is beautiful, Diamond. Tomorrow is payday, but forever. It's 21st of the month. So we get paid on the 1st. It's recruiting bonus. Normally, it will get in on the 2nd because sometimes in Joburg, they're still capturing orders at the 1st. So you get it at the 2nd if they were capturing orders on the 1st. So we get paid on the 11th, is recruitment bonus. On the 15th is normal payday, got 15. And then got 21 is another recruitment bonuses. So we get paid recruitment bonuses got 1st, got 11th, got 21. Got 15, you pay the year forever, where you get paid those big bonuses, the performance of the previous year. Are we all together? If you understand me so far, in the comment section, give me a number, just number 2. I'll know that so far I've been clearer. Zanele, thank you for the number 2. And Lolani, Mrs. Ngema, Nare, thank you. Tabo Matlala, thank you so much. Mam Sodi, thank you. Thelma, thank you. Priska, thank you. Nom T, thank you. Palesa, thank you. Busi, Agnes, Samsung, Kilibitsur, Samsung Kima. We need to fix that. Luandile, thank you, Luandile. Awesome stuff. So, very, very, very important by leaders. understand. iPhone, thank you. So sisibusi kumele sifixe indaba ye-iPhone masibonana. Isitshele ukuthi ubusi. Samsung is Zimla. Zimla. I'm not sure still. I'm still lost. Zimla. Samsung Zimla. I still lost. I have no idea who is Zimla. So, okay. Oh, okay, Mamlambo. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Awesome stuff. All right. So let's move on, Diamonds. So, manager level, we have two options. Ungena 120 cash credits in 2 months. 61 months, 60 the following month. Then you'll become a manager. If you want those 60, you'll become a manager. 120 cash credit over 2 months. Second option is 150, where if you average just 38, after 4 months, you'll still be going to become a manager. So you have these two options, 120 over 2 months, 150 over 4 months. So another thing, my leaders, that you need to understand is residual income. Here it says, if you understood residual income, you would walk through a brick wall to get it. But wait, is this guy okay? This is a statement from Art Jonak. So those Art Jonak, what is residual income? Residual income, my leaders, is work that you do once, but the money keeps coming for years, but you did the work only once. You do the work once and it keeps coming. You know, there are leaders who have developed leaders some 20 years ago. They're still getting paid today. From those leaders that they produced 20 years ago. Those leaders build massive business. They are super successful. They're taking care of their teams. Some are even in overseas. You don't even talk to them. Maybe you meet Kobo Global Rally. But you keep getting paid as long as that team exists. There are people who built teams about 30 years ago. They don't even know the leaders that are in their team. They just see on their recap. But they're still getting paid from the work they did 30 years ago. That's what we call residual income, more like royalty income. But wait, to Forever Living Products give you an opportunity to build something like that. People like me, Nonkoskas, our sponsors are no longer in the business. So we're inherited by leaders who once worked with us some 15 years ago. I think, yeah, the last time they worked with us was something like 15 years ago. They're still getting paid, even though they last really did something with us some 15 years ago. But because we are still in the business, whatever is due to them because of our team goes to them. We last worked with them more than 15 years ago. That's the residual income. So if you understand this, I'm telling you, you are going to focus on recruiting and developing people, because your grandkids will enjoy the fruits of your hard work. There is Usunamile Biela. She inherited the business from her father. The father passed on in 2022. Sunamile inherited the business, automatically became a diamond sapphire. I don't know whether you comprehend. She automatically became a diamond sapphire. She started the business as a diamond sapphire. A diamond sapphire is a manager with 17 lines of managers. So Sunamile started there. 17 lines. She's earning over 100,000 rand per month because of the work that the father did some many years ago with the mother. So she doesn't know how it feels to earn 300 or 500 rand, go forever. Because now she started at over 100,000. She doesn't know how it feels to be an assistant supervisor or supervisor, assistant manager or manager or senior manager, sorry, manager, Safa manager. She doesn't know that. She just knows how it feels to be a diamond sapphire because she inherited the business from the father as a diamond sapphire and start earning more than 100,000. And this year, she's from Level Up. She's still learning the business. She doesn't understand the business, but she's from Level Up. She was in Dominican Republic. She just came back from Dominican Republic in February. She's going to Cape Town next week. All expenses paid by Forever because the work qualifies her global rally automatically. That's the power of this residual income we talk about. She's earning from work that was done 20 years ago. So if you understand this, my leaders, you will build this business because it will grow. If you are consistent, if you don't quit, it will grow. As long as you are focusing on recruiting and developing people, you are using the product, you are selling the product, you are making money from sales, you are making money from recruiting, but you don't just recruit for the sake of recruiting, you are recruiting and developing. You are going to develop powerful leaders. Those powerful leaders will stay in the business, keep building because they are winning. 10 years from now, 15 years from now, 20 years from now, 30 years from now, you will still be benefiting, even if it is not you, but your future generations will be benefiting. So that is why it's very important, my leaders, to understand residual income and how to build it through your Forever Living Products business. This is how powerful this business is. So if you can master sales, recruiting, and doing your 4CC every month, you'll always have money because those product sales, recruiting, and 4CC puts money in your pocket. So when we say sales, you must know we talk money. Recruiting, we talk money. Being 4CC active, we talk money because those activities puts money in your pocket. So stay focused on what matters most. It's painful, my leaders, when people join and they waste lots of time focusing on wrong areas, on things that don't matter much. Look at how much people waste on social media, just scrolling or watching soapies or talking sport that will change their lives. Those are the things that you do when you are tired, just to rest. It's not things that where you invest your energy. Focus on what matters most. What matters most, using the product, selling these products, recruiting and developing your team, and being 4CC active, because all those, they put money in your pocket and they help you qualify for all those wonderful incentives that we talk about all the time. Next week, we are going to Cape Town, my leaders. People are going to bring back millions. Kunabantu qualified for chairman's bonus level 3. Our number one, my estimation, they might bring home over 30 million next week. Over 30 million. When you look at what they've achieved. They achieved all this in this business. Last Success Day, they were sharing how much property portfolio they have, over 100 million worth of properties. Bayakhe ngaleli business. So my leaders, asebenzeni, let's focus on what matters most. So if you know exactly what matters most in your business, you will make sure that you don't fail. Master this 4CC habit. 4CC is your basic path to achieving all the great things in the business. We'll talk about the activities that will help you achieve this 4CC. Let's see the result of 4CC. 4CC is powerful. 4CC, if it's you and 2 people in your team doing 4CC, you are automatically supervisor because it's 4 times 3. That's 12. If you are 10 in your team doing 4CC, that's 40 case credit a month. Times 2 is 80 case credit. You are an assistant manager. And if you can continue like that for 4 months, you will be manager. Just the 10 of you, you and 9 people doing 4CC in your team. And if you are 15, you'll become manager in 2 months. If you are just 10, you'll be manager in 4 months. So if you are 38 in your team doing this 4CC, let's start with 25. 25, you'll be in the 100 club. Those that are in the 100 club, they are in their managers, obviously. They are above 75,000 Rand per month in terms of their monthly bonuses. Imagine that. You and 24 people doing 4CC in your team, you'll be in the 100 club, which is likely to put you above 75,000 Rand bonus per month. If you are 38 in your team doing this 4CC, you are above 150 case credit, which qualifies you for Forever to Drive, extra 7,000 Rand. Plus, your monthly bonus will be over 100,000. You cannot do 150 non-manager CCs and less than 100,000. It will be more than 100,000 per month. That's the power of 4CC, focusing on what matters most. Manu 53, you'll qualify for Global Rally at 2,500. If you're achieving your 2,500 for the very first time, you are definitely going to Dominican Republic, level up. You have leveled up. And people who do 2,500, they don't earn less than 150,000 per month. They are above the 150 plus per month. If you are 105 in your team doing 4CC, you are a VIP. You qualify Global Rally at 5,000. Those people earn above 300,000 Rand per month. People who close at 5,000, they don't earn less than 300,000. 4CC is money. It's just that we don't get time to explain each time. We just say, do your 4CC, do your 4CC. 4CC will help you qualify everything. 4CC will put lots and lots of money in your pocket and help you qualify for every incentive and help you to develop strong leaders in your team. How do you achieve your 4CC? Daily activities for massive results using the products. You bought those products. You earn CC towards your 4CC. Sharing the product. When you sell this product, you bought those products. You earn CCs towards your 4CC. The products ozithengisela ama-customer. Ma-product owadlayo, ama-product owathengisela ama-customer. Ngesikhathi uwathenga, uthola ama-case credit towards your 4CC. The more uqala wenza more presentations, the more recruit. Then, more recruiter, umuntu uthola 2CC ngokuthenga ikhombo yakhe, wena uthola 2CC ngokuthi ujoinise yena. That 2CC count towards your 4CC. So, do presentations, then fund self-development daily. Develop yourself. Listen to some audio, read something, attend trainings like this. That is why you can give yourself a high five in the comment section because you are attending this training tonight. Because after this training, you will never be the same again. I'm telling you. This might look basic for new people who just joined, but I'm telling you, whether you have years in this business, after this training, your life will never be the same. Thank you for the 5, Ms. Rodi. Thanks, Datim Pashele, for the 5. So, Lerato, thank you so much, Meka 5. So, then promote events. I was talking to the leaders. I don't know. I did trainings for managers, but a little bit managers. I think I was just commenting. I was not training. I did train in the supervisor group. Thank Coach Monday. Agnes, thank you so much. So, iPhone, thank you. So, where I was talking about events, promoting events is everything to network marketing. I just want to give you our secret, Nonkoskas, how we build our business. We've been building a business that way for ages. And we've been training, Nyaz, which is not everyone Obamba, you must train. But we'll keep repeating. Every event that we go to, sinenwadi, register. Account abangaki abantu bethu bebekhona ku that training. Saturday besiku or presentation in the product center. Masifike endlini ebusuku bese sichekeka ukuthi abobani aba-attendile ubani bekahamba ne-prospect besingaki total ye-team yethu e-attende on Saturday. And then say David Tone on Saturday. We'll do the same. Bese success day. Laba ba-attende training after a success day, Sunday, we told you, ukuthi bese over 50, ne? Yes, ku success day. Why? Because we took a register. So we promote, you'll see the week, success day, 2 weeks before success day. Okay, we report, but a week or 2 weeks before, it's almost every day where we talk about that event. We even give you a list, so-and-so already bought tickets, so-and-so already bought tickets. It is promoting that event because for now more of our team to be there. Abantu bakubaba attenda, my leaders. If abantu were attenda, upuma ushisa. Maushisa, you do more presentations, you talk to more people, you have confidence. That is why you get results. So imagine maningene ni 10 team now. So in our case, it was 50 people, more than 50 people success day. We know that where shisa labantu about 50 abangene ku success day. They had lots of stories from different leaders, Bebe Kulume stage. They've seen a lot of people going on stage, recognized for different levels. Number 1, they got inspired to dream bigger. Number 2, they are now, they want to go on stage for the next success day, unless they're not serious about this business. Stage, abanye from your own team. Nabayaveva banya bafuna ukuthi July mayiza nami nge-stage bakhona besitshela kanjalo ukuthi Diamond, don't worry, mina ngo-July nge-stage. Some of them said that to me, after the success day, ukuthi noma kanjani mina ngo-July mayibuya uzongibona uzoba ngicongratulate ngithathe ithombe ngiyehla lapha e-stage bangirecognize. So that's the power your team attendayo. Uphuma ushisa wena mnikazi we-team ne-team yakho ishisa. Manishisa, you are very brave, doing more presentation, speak to a lot of people, and you tend to get more results. And because you are inspired and you've learned, more that's where you actually accumulate skills. Because into more you become skilled ekuyenzeni. This business ufuna abantu aba-attendayo, ufuna abantu who become along the way become good presenters. Bekune training the past 3 days ka Eric Gore, where he says that the topic is presenters always win. Presenters always win. Because trainer You need to develop more presenters. You need more presenters in your team. And that's always been our system esisebenzayo nonkosikazi uku-attenda ama-events nokutraina ama-presenters. Why i-product center igcwala makwe-presenter thina? Why mabahlangana nani bahlala babuza ukuthi na i-presentation yenu yase-product center inini? It's because as a team, we produce the best presenters. It's a strategy that we apply. We develop some of the best presenters. Akekho ngalala attende i-presentation yethu. Baphuma bashisa, abanye bathenga amakhombo during the presentation. That's how powerful and impactful our presenters are. It was not by mistake, it's not by chance, it is by plan. We push attendance and we train presenters. So those that have been with us for some time, I'm sure you know now, you can see as I'm explaining, you see, no, this is their strategy. When we present, we're always presenting with a group of people. We're presenting with a group of our downlines, and then they're learning. Others, they are good presenters of my products. Others, they are good storytellers in sharing their story. Others, they are good presenters, the marketing plan. And sukusebenzisa kule area, masiyakula makulu, kula manye siyashare. Kuthi wena yenza lokhu yenza kusasa ngomunye, kusasa ngomunye. But kule nkulu yase products, and you see that we tend to repeat the same people over and over, because we are doing presentation in many other areas where we use different people. But there's this one where we'll repeat the same people, the big one, where we want to be impactful. We see this one is good here. History is more impactful, Lana. We keep repeating the same people. But we're developing even more who will come in and take over. That's the power. You promote ama events, ama events. You develop strong leaders who are always motivated, who will learn and get and go and apply. When they apply, they develop the skills. The more skilled presenters you have in your organization, the faster your organization will grow. I hope Sisonke Lapo Diamonds. This one I wanted to emphasize, very, very, very important. Please give me a number 7. If we really le party kakhulu you promote my events, tata register my event to make sure that you push ukuthi ba attend. Makufika isuku le lona le event, mani yaku event tata register ukuthi ayingakabazile, because you want to beat the number elandelayo ufuna nibe baningi kudlula the previous one. There's a video, you will see that my system is the same. And if something is important, you'll see I repeat it over and over and over and over. I can share the same video 100 times, 1,000 times. And I know that others ignore it. That's when people fail. Just keep playing that video over and over. That's what I do. That's how I instill certain principles in Mondrian. I repeat trainings. The same video that I share with you in the WhatsApp group, I watch it over and over. When you see I repeat a video over and over and over and over and over, or a link, there are 3 videos that I always repeat. Recruiter ngathi yahlanya, the young lady, mawufuna imali breakfast every day. Mawufuna ukwakhela umama wakhe indlu, mawufuna i-apartment. Always ufuna ukuba uhlala une breakfast money every day. Recruiter ngathi yahlanya. Recruiter ngathi ngeke usa recruit, bazothi ngeke usa recruit. And then number 2, promoting events. Ulona Fraser Brooks. I repeat it all the time. You'll see when I talk about attending events, I'll share the same video. I know I've shared it 100 times. I still share it. I'm still going to share it. It's because it's that important. Each time I share, open it and watch. Like I don't know it. One day you'll thank yourself. Someone taught me repetition is the mother of learning. And I honestly believe in that. Keep repeating it. Don't worry you saw it. When I share it, Luella start copying and sharing it. in your WhatsApp group. And then the last one is a link. It's a YouTube video. Is long. I downloaded it as a video. I have it as a video. I also have it as an audio in my car, in my USB in the car. I listen to that Focus Until You Win over and over and over and over and over. You'll see that in the WhatsApp group as well. Maybe once or twice a month or 3 times a month, I'll share Focus Until You Win. And when I shared it for the first time, I said, watch this video at least once a week. Focus until you win. I know that training will make you win in life in general, not just forever business, but you will win in life in general. If you can watch Focus Until You Win training once a week, and you watch that promoting events by Fraser Brooks over and over, it will make you understand network marketing. And if you apply, you're going to build a massive team. I want to imprint that in your subconscious mind. Recruiter. Supervisor convention, Soto Eagle, Ewombath. They know how that was founded on us recruiting. There was a special speaker on recruiting, but almost all the speakers spoke about recruiting, how important it is to recruit as many people as you can. I'm telling you, you can solve any problem you have in your life by recruiting every day. If you need money and you tell yourself, I'm going to present for 2 people or more every day, I'm going to present to 2 or more people every day, I'm telling you, your recruiting issues will end. Because when it comes to recruiting, it's just a game of numbers. It's a game of numbers. Or wrong, it's a business of numbers. The more numbers you hit in terms of your recruiting and follow up, you mistake but they're not good records and following up. You need to record and follow up. And you'll see, you'll recruit a lot of people. So my leaders, the 5 secrets to success by Rexmon, those bale vice versa. Number 1, use the product. This Rex always, in every rally where you always spoke about these 5 things. I'll share it. I don't know whether I can access the video. I do have a video yakhe la fundisa khona this thing. This phone my old phone, I could get it easily. Secret to success, secret for success in forever by Rexmon. I don't know if being title share or I was using this for secret for success in forever. Okay. I don't know if, but I'll find it. I just need to get a reminder, or I shouldn't forget. I'll get that. Because I'm telling you, you talk about this. Use the products and then build a solid customer base. Because if you're using the products, you have a product story to share, to tell others your experience in a product. So if we are able to share your experience in a product, it will create an interest to kwabanye who will want to buy, to try the products for themselves. So ngaleyo ndlela, okay, you'll end up selling the products and even getting people to join your team. Very important. Then B4CC Active, a sponsor every month. So if you are using the products, you are sharing the products, meaning you have a customer base where you take this product, and then you are sponsoring every month. Those three activities vele zikunikeza ama-CCs towards 4CC wakho. Kuze wenze i-4CC, umaster i-4CC, kumele udle i-product every day. Kube nama-product owasebenzisayo personally. Yibuilda i-belief yakho ngama-product aka-forever. But ikunikeza ne-evidence emsebenzi ye-product aka-forever. Le bantu bangayibona mayisikhumba sakho sisihle sebushelelezi, they see the effects of your product, they will want to try. When they see your energy level, they see the effects the product up, they'll want to buy try your product. And then uthengisa more products, number 2. And then number 3, uzosponsora some of these customers about the product every month. They will also want to make the money that you are making. Then kanjalo lama points bewayenza ngesitoko osidlayo, ngesitoko osithengisayo, plus lama case credit owathola ngokurecruiter, kuyenzeka i-4CC yakho automatically. Then number 5, uthi bekati work towards every incentive. Uthi ati it's not about the reward from the incentive. The bigger reward from any incentive esinikeza yona is the business that you build. You must see before you start going for incentive, and after the incentive period closes, check your business. But wait, since it's Sibamba Logo Nongoskazi, asayeki sigijimisa every incentive available for thina. Angazi ngimari lokho ngikurepeatile kuma training andlulile. Kuthi how did we bring our business to the level last corner after COVID, ama lockdown? And jabulile iFacebook iyangikhumbuza ama presentation ethu asesontweni namuhla. Ingibonisa ukuthi nge-22 zika nge-20 zika April 2022 besisesontweni senza i-presentation eJimmiston. Ngesikhathi basavale amahholo saye esontweni. And uyazi kwamanye abanye ama belief systems bangavumi ukuthi ba-attend emasontweni izinto ze-business. I remember one top leader couldn't come because besiyenzela esontweni and inkolo yakhe ayivumi ukuthi angene emasontweni. But besingana choice because bekungana mavenue. Sahlala lapha esontweni until basivulela amavenue bavuma ukuthi singasebenzisa amahholo, sasabhuka iJimmiston City Hall. Saphuma esontweni sayeholweni. That's where the leaders joined us, because besisiphumile esontweni. But lala sonto lidlala irole ukuthi sibe lo msebenzi sinawo today, because sihlele boma 3 months, 3 or 4 months lapha esontweni before bavula amahholo. By the time bavula amahholo saqhubeka esontweni for isikhashana before we move out. Siye eholweni permanently. So bakwethu, go for every incentive. Noma ngathi uthola ipeni, more qualifier for incentive, go for that pen, uthole le pen. Noma ngathi le incentive awuthole lutho, because more qualify the incentive, noma ungayiqualifyanga. I told you our attempt on Eagle in 2023. Over Sipwisa structure 2023, completely far away from Eagle, but Sapush. 2024, we really went all out for Eagle. Saibamba yangaphelela. Because bekumele sisize one line yekamenenja ingene nayo yangaphelela. 2025, we went again. Guess what? Luam structure lesasistande 2023 sazi ukuthi ngeke sihlangane. 2023 we were aware it's not going to happen because of the business little balabe likona must we are out of lockdown. 2024 we went for it, really wanting to qualify, but you could see signs were there with you don't have strong leaders. We need to work more with the leaders first. We didn't, but that base, that foundation is building on 2024. Yaenza ukuthi ngo-2023 yaenza 2024 ibe ngcono thina sa qualifier washota that leg, and then 2025 we became qualify that Eagle iphela in 12 days yaphela, But our part is done already. We've done ngayo. Yona ibinhle vele yona ihlangene this one. But it was not just Eagle. 2025 kube Forever to Drive engenile, kwaba chairman's bonus engenile ne-global rally lapho, because yes, I qualified global rally nge-chairman's bonus. And then kwangena nayo leya Eagle besigijimisa, and then kwangena no soaring manager khona lapho sababu soaring, and then sababu number 82 kuSADC. Ngiyakutshela, if we asigijimisa nge-Eagle ngo-2023 no-2024, lezi zinto zenza ngo-2025 they were not going to happen, because besingasisodwa besinama-manager amaningi besisebenza nawo before COVID, even after COVID. Ama-leader bewabangani bami abangazange bakugijimisa ama-incentive, abakhonanga ukuqualify lezi zinto thina nonkosikazi khona ukuziqualify. Why? Because thina sagijimisa le ndaba yama-incentive. Noma sibona ukuthi ngeke ihlangane, but we're not giving up this push, because it's not about the incentive. Ile structure osakhayo ngesikhathi wena ugijimisa incentive that will pay you, will give you rewards ku future, not now. Inkinga ngabantu ukuthi sifuna ama-instant gratification. Into ebamba abantu indaba ama-instant gratification, ukufuna ama-results manje. Umsebenzi owenza manje ongakubhadala 2 years from now, 3 years from now, asikhuthali kuwona. My leaders, go for every incentive. You'll see one day uzongibamba isandla wakhe imsebenzi omunye womhlaba. Rex always said that, go after every incentive, go for every incentive that is on offer. Noma ngathi uthola ipen, wazi me, I can buy million of pens. Don't worry, go for that pen, build that, go for that incentive, qualify for the incentive. Noma ngathi awutholi lutho, build, because you are building your business. Every incentive enzwa forever isiza wena to build the structure that will give you powerful results ebhizinisini lakho laka forever. That is why it's so important to go after every incentive that is on offer. Then there's basic training, my leaders. Mangifika laka forever, angisakhumbula ubani, uMaria Idigo wakhuluma ngale video singakajoyini forever. I-audio wakhuluma ngayo singakajoyini forever. Si-attend the-African Rally eKempton Park. Wakhuluma building your network marketing business by Jim Rohn. Somehow I wrote it down because bangifundise ukubhala ama-notes. And then John Carter's no Jen Leach, they did training. Nabo bayimenshina this building your network marketing business. Ngakajoin mina forever. Besikhathele job African Rally yaka forever basimeme lapho. Laba besipresentele basenzele one-on-one. So mangene business ngaqala ukuyifuna lento ngalesikhathi bo YouTube basesebatsha. So kungasilula. Ngize ngayithola maybe a couple of years later. Manje is readily available. If you can screen grab, go on YouTube, type building your network marketing business, Jim Rohn. It's a totally video, but it's audio. I have this in my car. I listen to this over and over and over, though maybe once every 2 months or every 3 months, but I still listen to it since back then. It tells you, it gives you training, Yama Basics, Web Business, like forever. Another book that we recommend is Your First Year in Network Marketing by Renee and Mark Yanen. Unfortunately, Angfaganga is Tabesayola. And then GoPro, number 3 book is GoPro by Eric Gore. GoPro by Eric Gore. But this one is audio. Please get this one. Screen grab, go on YouTube, or even on Google, where I told her this one. Google. Yapum. So what do? We already covered. Use the products, share the products, build a team, recruit. And then coach your customers how best to use the products, coach your team how to best build their business to be successful. Then if you master the 4CC habit and you teach your team to master the 4CC habit, everything on the marketing plan is possible for you. Please screen grab, Tata, ufunde over and over. Mangathi ne WhatsApp group team yakho, share this in your WhatsApp group. Yeah, your assignment again, screen grab and share to WhatsApp group team yakho. If you master the 4CC habit and teach your team to master the 4CC habit, everything on the marketing plan is possible for you. So we spoke about this, we spoke about that, and here is the most important one. Being Kulmanabo manager, I think, yeah. Friday as Konangwen's training about manager because of this power cuts, load shedding. Then, I did share this with managers. I even share Nama supervisor. Because some of what I train managers, you might take what I'm training you supervisors lightly. Some of what I train is what I train managers, because it's the same thing. Yes, I might bring the standard a bit good lower grade, so I understand. But it's the same thing that I tell managers. Work with 5 key leaders. This one is the most important one. My leaders, invest yourself every 12 months. Invest at least yourself on 5 people. Work with 5 leaders who dedicate all your time to building at least 5 lines. Always work with 5 key people. I remember when we first joined this business, Eric Panga used to say, you need to have board of directors, 5 board of directors. He used to put it that way. These 5 board of directors, you go everywhere with them. You attend every event with them. You go to presentations with them. You go to success day with them. You go to trainings with them. Yimi Manji was saying that, my leaders, because I discovered there's power behind this. It was not just Eric. It was not just the leaders that taught me the business, or whom I read their books talking about working with 5 key people, or just your first steps to manager manual talks about this, working with 5 key people. But this is standard in network marketing in general. Work with 5 key people. I'm telling you, every year, set a goal. Could develop 5 lines. Zama leader. With my pela in 2026, you want to look back and say, here are my leaders, young in 2026. You develop so and so, I develop so and so. We are presenter, we leader team yake, we are attender, ufundisa abantu bakhe, attender, is doing everything. I taught them everything I know. Yes, maybe it's not going to be all 5 who became leaders. Maybe it's just 2 or 3 will become leaders, or even 1. But if every year there's this strong leader that you develop, you are able to duplicate yourself 100%, once or twice or 3 times a year. 3 years from now, you'll be untouchable. 3 years from now, my leaders, you will be untouchable. If every year there's a strong leader, even if it's just 1, because you're going to have 3 solid lines. You know, good millionaires in line A1. La producer leader is strong in July. Then they became a millionaire in line A1 is solid. Yes, that leader but now we millionaire salary. Noma ngahola 20 million downline yakhe, naye ahola million yakhe, impilo yakhe ishintshile. If forever push bakwethu. Downline yakho can earn more than you, as long as they are willing to invest time in effort in their business. Lapsi push, akunti ufunde kubaba usikhodi business laka forever. If ugijima and developing more leaders, you'll only achieve kuya ngenamba yama leader or your producer. It makes me so proud. The presentation Saturday, I saw team Mpumalanga in a presentation in the Middleburg by themselves because they're teachable. Mpumalanga was blessed. Leadership Nokubonga was also in Mpumalanga, a Witbank. Wow, it's made to down fire. Lababa se Middleburg, Leoya se Witbank. Bonke bashisa bokushawa kuvutha amalanga bekushawa ama presentation and abantu bayajoyina abantu bathengile ama product abantu bayajoyina in both of those meetings nathi besibambile product center zisha abantu baphume namakhombo same day ngazi ubaba ungema uphume ne downline iphethe ikhombo esandleni ubani omunye uphume nekhombo esandleni there are a lot of leaders abaphume namakhombo on Saturday. That's the power of these presentations. So you need to duplicate yourself. Work with 5 key people, my leaders. And you teach them the same. Work with 5 key people. Work with them to develop their own 5. Let's start with my assistant supervisor leaders. And you are building the 5 lines. I'm telling you, Musaba recruiter was long enough supervisor when. Because if let's say Kinyanga Leo join Guyo, one recruit about 5, where's the 12 CCs in that month? So he supervisor Kinyanga Kyo join. And then Mokalo Fundisa also to get their 5s. But ungena kwa supervisor. Aba umunye ungena kwa supervisor sana 1 because leya 1 yakhe na ifika ibe nama downline. Umunye ungena na 3. Umunye ungena na 4 usupervisor. Kunabantu abangena kwa manager ngesupervisor i1 ngoba leya supervisor nayo ifika build ama supervisor ngaphansi kwayo. Normally we say build ama supervisor aw 5 to 6 to become a manager. But kunabantu abangena kwa manager asane supervisor i1 ngoba isupervisor yakhe ifika yaba nama supervisor yona ngaphansi. So you can never go wrong with working with 5 key people. But what I'm now emphasizing from here going forward, the entire year, you want to partner with these 5. Olahlelekela vision endleleni replace. Ungahlali uthi sengina 5 yami ubani nobani. Keep recruiting. Olahlelekela vision ungasoloko waste isikhathi replace. I remember unkosikazi kaPhanga umam Selma Phanga bekathi uSylvia uSelem elinye igama lakhe Selem elinye igama lakhe bekathanda ukuthi replace umuntu sasenaye asebenza. She used to say that I replace a person ngisasenaye umuntu asebenza ngokureplace usebenza ngomunye umuntu. We didn't understand it angisho besasebasha manje we understand it. Recruiter abantu usanabantu abasebenzayo ukuthi if omunye ulahlekelwa ivision awunaso isikhathi sokwaste awudlulela phambili. Kunabantu abadlalayo la endleleni bakwethu ungavumi abantu abadlalayo badlale ngesikhathi sabo. Wena you are in a mission la ukudevelopa ama leader abafuna impumelelo because mawungawa develop lama leader uyazibambezela impumelelweni yakho and ungavumi umuntu abambezele impumelelo yakho ngokudlala kwakhe replace malahlekelwa ivision faka umuntu ugijime naye makaqala ngasabi teachable faka umunye kule line yakhe ugijime naye because wona une target ukuthi by end of the year ngifuna ukubona 5 lines developing ngo 2026 and then I bring in new group yaka 2027 because ngifuna ukuthi mayiphela 2027 ngo 2028 mangibhuke emuva ngithi nayi group yami ka 2027 nayi igroup yami seyikhulile nayi seyizale yababo ama line yaka 2026 nayi amangathi bekudawa umdala business igroup yami yanga 2025. Every year you should point leaders ozgrumile was developer and you poured your all in them. I'm telling you, if you can grasp this, wayenza 3 years from now, you'll be untouchable. Lapho ngiyaguarantee my leaders. Also, bamba this issue of investing themselves in 5 key people every year and pour themselves out, training them, coaching them, making sure that they become the top performing leader that is 6-figure income earner at some point. They're not going to happen in that 12 months or 7 or 9. Abanye, you will have to carry them over the following year because someone leader list, so let me just carry him over. I'm telling you, are going places. This is how we are working now. We'll be saying, hearing this so many times. Who are your 5 key people? If you can point to your 5 key people, you are gone. So, if you don't have your 100 list, please have your name list. Incwadi ubhala amagama abantu kuyo. Namanamba, ama-prospect wakho azophuma lapho, abantu abafonelayo, to make appointments, to invite them to presentations, to take them to success days. Babuya kule who do you know list or name book. Kala ngabantu aba-100. Khuluma nabantu abasha abangakabi nama-name list. But abadala, I know ukuthi you have your name list already. But mawumdala ungenayo incwadi yamagama abantu, wazi ukuthi you are in trouble, or business at least is in trouble. Your business is in trouble. You need to have a incwadi enamagama abantu. La ubhale khona wonke umuntu omaziyo, wonke umuntu osefonini. Your first step to manage manual kune memory jog ukukhumbuza amagama abantu. Have that name list. Very, very important book. And then ungabashi family yazi, family nama friends yibo abazokudiscourage kakhulu, but batshele ngebusiness, batshele ngeproduct, batshele bayizame bayibone ukuthi ngeke basize. But don't invest your spirit or your whole heart in them, because that's why you get some of the most negative people among those that love you. Not in a bad way, but babona ngathi ulahlekile, what they're trying to save you kuyangabo. Because when they don't see the vision. uNkulunkulu unikeza wena mbono, uwe obonale ukuthi kwenzakalani phambili. Uwe wazi ukuthi this is going to liberate them. This is going to make you a millionaire and allow you to change their lives. Bona baboni, babona ulahlekile. And establish your social media presence. Sesikhulumile ngale. Kubalekile kuluma, you need to be on social media. Start advertising widely. Advertise a poster 3 times a day if you can. Create hype around your business. Collect orders. Make it clear when you will be starting the actual selling. Start promoting your business left, right, and center. Tinabanye sibadale business, obviously. Dallas Wienza logo says nama customers, so we are selling already. Most important, use the product, especially those that will make you visible. The visible difference will make a visible difference in your life, because abantu mabona skin succeed bakwazi before usebenzisa product forever. That will convince them ukuthi lento yalo muntu uyasebenza, and they want to try because they want to have a glowing skin. So my leaders, let's get to work. Let's understand these basics. It is recorded. It will be shared. Go and watch it again. Remind yourself what is the most important thing that you need to focus yourself on, and make 2026 the best year ever. So my leaders, if you have any questions, you can ask. If you want to add, I believe you can unmute. I didn't close that. And if you want to say thank you, great job, you can also say it in the comment section. So my diamonds, we are making 2026 the best year ever. We are producing top performing leaders who are 6-figure income earners. That's the goal. And it is happening. And when Mamno Vula, our top manager for the month of March, it is a po. I don't know whether she's still here. Hey, busy, mama Shem. Mama. nakalali naye ufana nami ngimbone ngabe 2 ebusuku online nivuka ekuseni yena yakwabasi. She's our top manager for inyanga kaMashi. Ngamalengiso. Mama Nomvula Mlambo. Well done, Mama. Well done, if you sasekhona. Okay, we don't have any questions. We don't have anyone adding anything. Thank you, my leaders. Oh, presentation leader. Okay. Thank you. Angisabonanga uThubani. Mamsentule Sohodi, Tatu Matala. Thank you, my leader. Menare, Lwandile. Awesome stuff. Thank you, leader. Thank you, Thelma. Thank you, Manesu. Are pushing. Awesome stuff. Awesome.